Sorry, I only wrote the intro and then I like fused it into another song that was written by somebody else, so I had to stop it right at the drop. But yeah, these speakers sound great. We have the Alto TS412s, two of them, and then the Proreck PR18 Subwoofer. And yeah, the Altos are really nice because they have a switch on the back that you can either do it for an 18-inch sub, a 15 or a 12, and it will create a either a low pass or a high pass, I forget, that will you know, make it so that it matches perfectly with the sub if you have the crossover at about, you know, 50%. So yeah, that's those speakers. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.